Hello, I'm Daria, co-founder of analytic platforms Sellematics and Sellscreen.io. They are the first Middle East dedicated tools with data accuracy of more than 90%. They help our retailers to grow their business on marketplaces, find profitable products, and adjust their SEO strategy within marketplace. They are the only tool available on the market for known competitive intelligence, and for known we cover both UAE and KSA markets. We also collect Amazon data for our clients, and for our big clients such as Johnson, P&G, SAB Group, we collect delivery services data such as Talabat and Nana. Other approach, all this remains the same. We collect data, all products, daily basis, so you can find any competitor info or check any back data for any product on marketplace. Key metrics we provide is revenue, sales, stocks, market share, content, and keywords for SEO. Sellscreen is perfect for product search. You can see seasonal products, trending products, price segmentation, average check data, and you can decide which product and then you wish to sell. The next opportunity we provide is SEO optimization. This tool will allow you to get increase in organic sales. With the help of Sellscreen, you can assemble a semantic core, understand what keywords your products and your competitor products are found by, and build customer journey map. It will help you to be ahead of your competitors and grow your business on marketplaces. And remember, there are plenty opportunities on marketplaces. Let us help you to grow your e-commerce business.